Carrizo Gorge Railway, yeah, I ran on the same track.
Yeah.
And went through the Carrizo Gorge, through all the tunnels and all that.
Yeah.
Yeah. The guy that likes trains, that was the job to have.
Section 2103, you're clear back another 1 mile over.
Clear back 1 mile, thank you. 2103 out.
Was it just freight that was on Carrizo? Did they have was it passenger or just?
Yeah, the Carrizo Gorge was free.
Freight,
The only time I ran passengers was with the museum.
Yeah, the Grand Canyon and then here.
Well, the Grand, yeah, that was a whole other thing.
Mm-hmm.
The Grand Canyon is a whole other railroad, different owners.
Mm-hmm. That's neat.
I left this operation when I did that.
Yeah.
I ran steam engines over there. I like running steam engines.
Yeah, that sounds fun.
That's why I can't hear. I have hearing aids.
Yeah.
Of course, I blame the Air Force for that one. So
It probably is true.
So I
Probably a
get my
combo.
hearing aids for free.
Yep. It probably is a little bit of everything.
Well, it was mostly the Air Force. But I have tinnitus. And I get paid for the tinnitus, but I don't get paid for my hearing loss.
Yeah.
Because when I got out of the service, they said I could hear fine.
Okay.
And I
But
go,
the tinnitus came from.
Yeah, but once you get the damage, it takes a while
Doesn't-
for
yeah,
it
it's
to
for it to-
manifest itself. But I don't fight
Yeah.
because I get I have diabetes too, and I get money for that.
Oh, good.
Because I was exposed to Agent Orange.
Oh my gosh.
Hey, the truth, this is pretty easy. To get the swing of it.
You'll take this, over, and it's quieter.
Quieter. The only thing is, like, there's a meter here that tells you how much brakes you have and how much power and stuff. And it isn't working.
So you're just,
So I have to just guess.
I feel, yeah.
Conductor 2103, reminder you're coming up with your limits of authority.
We're coming up on limits of authority. I'll be listening to the brake.
Brake minute 2103 is our, you got clear west 24 miles over.
Clear west 0.4 miles.
Brake minute 2103, about 20 cars to 0 to a stop over.
About 20 cars to a stop.
Fifteen 15 to a stop.
15 to a stop.
To a stop 10.
10 more to a stop.
To a stop.
8.
To a stop.
6.
4 to a stop.
4 more.
3 to a stop.
3 more.
2 more.
2.
One more to a stop.
One.
And that'll do right there. Conductor 2103.